Hi, today we are going to demonstrate Zen hypervisor based virtualization and isolation on an iMX8 based platform. So we'll boot Zen hypervisor on our hardware platform, and then we'll create two Linux based guests. One of those guests will be using hardware acceleration using a Vivante GPU that has been passed through to the guest, and the other guest will be streaming a video over the network. So let's start. So as you can see, the Zen hypervisor has come up and it is now going to boot the domain 0 Linux kernel. Okay, the domain 0 console is up. So now let me execute the excel list command to show that there is currently domain 0 running in the system. Now let me start first guest. Okay, let me show you. We have now a guest running alongside the domain 0. So now I'll start the second guest as well. So now we have two guests. So now let me switch to guest 1 console. And start Western based desktop. And also start the GL Mark II wheel based application. So now you can see that we have the Vivante based GPU and the GL Mark II application running with reasonable frame rate. Now let me switch to domain 0 and then switch to guest 2 console. Okay, and let me start the GStreamer RTSP server here, and just let me find out the IP address that has been currently assigned to this guest, and from my host machine I'll start a media player. So we have two guests running two different displays. Guest 1 is continuously running the GPU based application, and guest 2 is currently streaming data video over the RTSP server. So what I can do is I can reboot the streaming guest, and so you can see that the streaming has stopped, but at the same time the other guest is currently working, and there is no issue with that kernel. So in that way, using Zen hypervisor, two kernels can be easily isolated, and one critical guest can be protected from another vulnerable guest. So I hope you liked our video. If you have any questions, please contact us on info@vadion.com.